Hello, my name is Arun Kumar. I reside in Devaya Park near Malleshwaram. 7 to 8 months back, we had an opportunity to meet Balu of ACE Institute, and we had a preliminary discussion on how the Igniting Minds program works. At the beginning, when Sri Balu explained the concept to me, it was really a good one, and that was when I thought we can use this Igniting Minds program to help us and our kids. Igniting Minds is a very innovative program where they not only take care of the needs of your kids, we have a counseling session for parents also. I'm glad to say we both, me and my wife, have been enormously benefited by the way the things have been taught, the skills, the techniques, and the way it was taught. Basically, what this program does is it poses certain questions and makes you think about it and how you can implement it in your life. It's a very good program. I liked it.
Yeah, my name is Archana, and as Arun said, we came here with two of our kids. My daughter was 12 years old, when we attended the session, and my son was 8 years old. And we had an initial introduction by Balu sir and all that, and then we thought that this is a very holistic program. It was not only directed at kids, this midbrain activation and blindfold activities and all that, but it was also a program that was targeted at parents. So I would say it's a holistic program, because what they teach the kids, it should be like a continuation of that at home, and that is the effort that they are putting on us parents. So this I would consider as a very holistic program. And our kids, we have seen big differences in the way our kids are dealing with things, and it has also brought in a lot of differences in the way we deal with each other, and as a whole unit it has helped us a big deal. Thank you. One more thing I would like to stress upon here is a follow program that ACE Institute is taking forward. The moment you attend the 2-day session, some people may feel that okay, now that we are done with the 2 days, it's over. But that's not the case. The ACE team actually diligently does a follow up. They, from time to time, they call, they send SMSs and check if the kids are practicing the brain gym activities and all that was taught. Plus, they also inquire about parents, how they are implementing what is taught in the 2-day session. And even after the 45 days program, they call it, they still keep in touch with you, and they let you know that if there are any new programs are coming up, and if we would want to attend the follow-up sessions and all that. So this kind of support and the friendliness of the ACE team is really good, and I would say more people should take benefit of this. Thank you.
I'd like to say one more thing. Okay, anything cannot be done in a very short time. What Igniting Minds does in the 2 days, if we continue it for the next 45 days, we are going to see good results from this. So it not only stops once you leave out Igniting Minds program, you need to continue it back at home for best results.
For a longer duration.
Thank you.